Hi, I want to introduce myself. I'm Karen Jostley, your teacher. There's a welcome video on how to use Canvas just below this one down there. Um, it was made in 2017. As you can see, we're going to be working with 2019 Photoshop. So some of the things are outdated, but a lot of the things that have to do with Canvas are accurate. So rather than being redundant, I decided to just add a few tips of my own and introduce myself to you. This is Photoshop. It's the new Photoshop, and I do have a video that I updated for what's new. I'm closing all of these. So, there's me, my Bitmoji. Um, and this is for other classes I teach at other institutions. Um, so uh, you can do with that what you will. Anyway, I don't want to make this too long. We're working on the newest version of Photoshop, which is the 2019 release. It's pretty cool. There are some differences. If you're not working with that version of Photoshop and you have any issues, you can always text me. We can always do I'm looking at my notes, desktop sharing. You can email me, just like the other teacher did, pointed out in the video below. I will make targeted tutorials if there's something about Photoshop that you're really not getting or you really want to know. I try to keep my tutorials short, and there are a lot of good tutorials out there. If you find something outdated as you're going through the course, please let me know. I've tried to update everything from the last instructor, and at Denver, they really use a composite of teacher input to create these shells for these courses. So if I haven't updated something, let me know and I will update it immediately. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them. Participate in the discussions, that's really important, and turn assignments in on time. Nice to meet you. We'll be talking soon. Thanks. Bye.